time to discuss Italian motorhomes. They are highly well liked, particularly by racing teams. There is something unique about motorhomes. Flexibility. They are easily convertible into meeting rooms, mini hotels, or storage areas. Models from CMC, a major participant in the sector, are displayed on the screen. Because CMC specializes in custom orders, the client's money is the only constraint on luxury and usefulness. For example, you can purchase an 18-meter motorhome with a slide-out, a large living area, and 4 toilets. CMC can supply anything, including natural wood finishes and washers and dryers. It makes sense that, if you can envision it, we can make it happen, is one of the company's catchphrases. Inside a motorhome, a Bugatti. With their Volkner Mobil Performance S motorhome, which includes an integrated garage, German designers have made it possible. There is enough room in this garage to accommodate a Bugatti or other vehicles up to 6 meters in length. If that's not enough, the designers are happy to accommodate demands for custom motorhome layouts. Would you like a stone or wooden sink? Not an issue. Are you looking for a superior convection oven? Simple. Heated chairs, a massage, and ventilation, all of them can be had for a price. In terms of cost, the Volkner Mobil Performance S is priced at almost $2 million, which is why it is deservedly ranked among the priciest motorhomes of the previous year. In New Zealand, the well-known setting where The Lord of the Rings was filmed. Upon seeing these New Zealand tiny cottages, one can't help but wonder if hobbits would fit in well here. Though sadly, manufacturing is presently on pause, anyone is welcome to buy the designs and try their hand at creating them. The length of the house is only 8 meters. Its small size belies its creative use of every square centimeter to accommodate 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, a living area, a bathroom, and a stairwell storage. Moreover, you can embark on an excursion anywhere you like because it is constructed on a tandem axle trailer. The cost of the house plans is $100. The Mars 15's designers provide complete luxury for off-road exploration. The Mars 15, a 6.5-meter wonder with tons of amazing amenities, is what they aim to create. A cross between a luxury RV and a small trailer. First of all, the 2 kitchens, one indoors and the other that folds out outside, surprise purchasers. Second, there's enough room inside for 2 parents and 2 kids to sleep comfortably because of its creative layout. Thirdly, if you want to guarantee a comfortable holiday, even during inclement weather, you might invest in a diesel heating system. It also has a space-themed design and an independent suspension, giving you the impression of exploring undiscovered areas. The cost of the Mars 15 is $58,000. An additional choice for those who enjoy off-road excursions is an expedition motorhome. The motorhome's remarkable maneuverability stems from its construction on the LVECO Eurocargo truck, which is renowned for its tiny turning radius and exceptional angles. The design has fitted a bedroom, living room, kitchen, bathroom, shower room, and even a garage big enough to fit a motorcycle inside its brand new 5.5-meter body. With 4-wheel drive, a differential lock, and a 279 horsepower diesel engine, it has excellent off-road capabilities. This motorhome has a starting price of $435,000. In India, Pinnacle leads the auto conversion market for both private and business use. The business is proud of its own plant, allowing it to function at a monthly output rate of 500 automobiles. Who else but Pinnacle could produce this hybrid that combines a caravan and a motorhome? Given its size and ambitious projects, it is referred to as the Pinnacle Finanza and has room for up to 8 people. It has many amenities, such as a glass roof and a home theater, and a movable back part. Of course, it has all the necessities, including numerous gadgets and pieces of furniture in addition to a toilet and a shower. This hybrid is expected to cost $100,000. Are you sick of your neighbors' loud noises? Do late-night street racing irritate you? So are you considering moving at all? For you, these motorhomes are the ideal answer. The manufacturers state that you can live, work, and rest wherever you choose. They are simple to carry to the beach or forest because they are foldable and lightweight, weighing only 4 tons at the beginning. Only 15 square meters make up the smallest dwelling. However, it is furnished with all the necessities of life, such as a kitchen, a wood stove, a self-contained toilet, a number of appliances, and 5 kilowatts of solar power generated by panels. These houses start at $35,000 in price. Put yourself in the driver's seat of the Rex if you're up for some thrilling road excursions. This motorhome's powerful 430 horsepower V8 engine allows it to handle a variety of terrains. It is based on a Ford F-250. It has a winch and towing hooks to handle really difficult circumstances. Members of the trip can unwind in exceptional comfort at the campsite. A king-size bed and a hot water shower are features of the RexRover. Additionally, they were able to squeeze in a washing machine and a microwave, among other home items. However, since the RexRover starts at $350,000, you'll need to save money for a long. Compared to their co-workers who work in offices, 83% of remote workers say they are happier. 77% of them also report feeling more productive. These figures show promise, but there is a problem. Working remotely may make it difficult to distinguish between work and personal life, which can result in fatigue, tension, and a reluctance to leave the office. Here's where the designers of this truck tried to balance the advantages of working remotely with its drawbacks. You are looking at a mobile office that provides a cozy workstation on the screen, has the freedom to relocate in order to decompress, and the workplace easily converts into a bedroom at the end of the workday. For a little inspiration, why not embrace nature? The UN reports that 8.7 million people were displaced globally in 2019 for a variety of causes, such as natural disasters and armed conflicts. These are all dissimilar. Displaced people require a somewhere to remain, which is why the exo-shelter was invented by an American business. 2 to 4 persons can stay in the exo-shelter. For transportation, these shelters fold into one another like paper cups. It only takes 2 minutes to set them up. They are composed of an easily recyclable, specifically engineered honeycomb composite with a roughly 10-year lifespan. The shelters are outfitted with NFC-enabled locks to guarantee security. Do you know anything about houseboats? In essence, these are floating residences that are typically furnished with all the amenities found in upscale hotels. In addition to showers, comfortable chairs, stoves, refrigerators, and even heating systems for added comfort, these houseboats frequently have other facilities. This houseboat is available for purchase for $84,000. It's the Harmonia 3-on-10 model with a living area of 17 square meters. It has a kitchenette, a living area, a bathroom, and a bedroom, offering the luxury of a house on property. Because houseboats prioritize comfort over speed, the 9.9 horsepower engine is sufficient for cruising. A 23 square meter house floating on a platform, including all the customary conveniences. Living in this cottage is comfortable, even in Northern Ireland's frequently chilly and wet weather. It has a combined living area and kitchen, a bedroom, and a bathroom. The home also has a deck that is ideal for entertaining and enjoying sunsets, a hot water system, a fully furnished kitchen, a shower, a toilet, and even smoke detectors are included in the usual amenities. The crew is also willing to change the layout to your preference if you think something is lacking. An intriguing option for car campers is this fold-out trailer, which can be converted into a roomy tent. Introducing the SEQUOIA model, built to seat up to 10 people. Given its spacious 29 square meters of living space, it should come as no surprise that setting up the tent takes about 25 minutes. There is a kitchenette option for individuals who want to cook while camping. Furthermore, the SEQUOIA is equipped with the newest ventilation technology in the series, called Surround. It's notable for establishing the ideal microclimate, all the while offering excellent storm resistance. Though it looks like something out of a futuristic movie, you can buy this modular home right now. With a price tag of $70,000, the Model E provides 38 square meters of living area. Are you wondering why that price is justified? Now let's get started. To begin with, this house is constructed to endure typhoons and earthquakes. Second, it may be placed practically anywhere, including in mountains and deserts. Thirdly, setting it up only takes 2 hours, making it a snap. It's also a smart house, with basic features including a temperature control system, smart lighting, and a smart door lock. Its expansive windows also allow you to fully appreciate the range of colors seen in nature.